Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, we rise on the same issues that members are rising with a different angle. And the angle we are rising on for us on the procedural matter in terms of the Manyi's bill is that in the Manyi's bill that we're dealing with here today, the Manyi Bills Amendment Procedure and Related Matters Act, that act does not make provision for conditional acceptance. What we saw happening in the committee is a situation where one of the parties made a condition that they support the bill on condition that in 30 days this and that must happen. So we are saying, Speaker, that's procedurally flawed. There is nothing in that law that allows for conditional acceptance. So to bring a report here with a conditional acceptance is to bring a legally flawed report. Secondly, Speaker, in terms of the law, there is no latitude to reject the report. But if you go to the report, Chair, you go to the last line of the report, it has listed companies there that have rejected the report. That should have been the easiest of things to illustrate the illegality of this. It cannot be that you have a report that lists, on the last line, Speaker, have a look at that report, even if you have to take a 10 minutes adjournment, look at that report, you will find an unlawful line there that says this party, that party, that party rejected. The law does not allow you to reject. So to have a report that talks about the rejection, we have a report that is unlawful. We're calling on you, Speaker, to do two things. One, to declare this sitting, to declare the processing of this report as an unlawful processing. And we're calling on your conscience, Speaker, to say you cannot lead an unlawful process. So we're calling on you to, and if you differ with that, Speaker, we're asking that you put this matter on the vote, and as you do, we allow us to vote individually if you differ with the fact of declaring this as an unlawful processing of the report. Thank you very much.